I love this noise that he makes. He hasn't made it yet. That's the noise.
You told me about that. That's funny.
She's like, help me. This psychopath. Oh, just trying to get out the little door. Okay, what's going on, babies? What's going on, babies? What's going on?
I'm going to put you on speaker.
You are Wimpy Cockatiel. This is why I named the YouTube channel Diary of the Wimpy Cockatiel.
His good friend John bought a boatload of paper.
Well, hello.
So he's looking at setting a Spanish one, and he wants to know
Anyway,
what it says.
wait,
Spell it again.
yeah. Anyways, Diary of the Wimpy Cockatiel, the love day. Sorry that I didn't say that tonight, but yeah, sorry that there's 2 posts today, but one was like recorded really late last night, and the other was recorded this morning. So yeah, see, 10:40. So you know the exact time. 10:41, whatever. That clock's a minute ahead. But this has been the show. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.